Hello everyone, I'm Zulaiha Ulinta Tarigan. Here I'll present my technology ancient lesson plan, and title is describing family members. This lesson plan integrates technology into English language teaching to make learning more interactive, engaging, and enjoyable for everyone. It focuses on helping 7th grade students improve their vocabulary and speaking skill while using various digital tools. The lesson overview. The topic is describing family members. Students will learn vocabulary related to family members and practice describing their family using simple English tenses. The skills. There are two main skills developed in this lesson. The first is speaking, that students practice expressing ideas early and improve their pronunciation and fluency. The second is vocabulary. Students learn new words related to family members and their characteristics. Example: father, mother, sister, brother, grandfather, grandmother. And this lesson is designed for grade 7 students who are the beginner level. And this lesson plan I make duration it lasts for 16 minutes. This amount of time is sufficient for introducing vocabulary, practicing speaking, and completing interactive activities. And the next is learning objective. By the end of the lesson, students are expected to achieve 3 objectives. The first is identify family vocabulary. Students should be able to recognize it and understand words related to family members, that father, mother, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, and other. And the second is describing family member using simple sentence. Students should be able to construct simple descriptive sentence. Example: my father is tall, my mother is kind, I have one brother, my sister is pretty. Through these activities, students learn how to combine vocabulary with grammar communicative effectively. The third is present should description confidently. Students are expected to speak in front of the class and describe their family confidently. Example: this is my family. I have one brother and one sister. My father is a teacher and my mother is a nurse. They are very kind. This objective helps students develop communication skills and self-confidence. And the next slide is TPHK framework. This lesson uses the TPHK framework, which stands for technological knowledge, pedagogical knowledge, and content knowledge. The first is technology. Technology that several digital tools are used in this classroom, like Google Classroom. Google Classroom is used to share learning materials, post assessment, communicate with students or their parents maybe, and provide the feedback. And the next is Google Docs. That Google Docs allows students to complete assessment digitally instead for using paper. Its advantages include easy to access, real-time editing, and paperless learning. And the next is Canva. Canva is used for creating creative digital posters. Students can design posters about their families by editing pictures, colors, and text. And this activity encourage creativity and visual learning. And the next is Kahoot. Kahoot is one online quiz platform. It helps students review vocabulary in a fun, interactive way. Students can complete with their classmates while receiving immediate feedback. Example, I use Kahoot to review vocabulary through interactive quizzes. The next is content. The content of this lesson include family vocabulary, that students learn words related to family members, and then speaking practice. Students practice speaking and introducing their family members. The next is describing sentences. Students learn how to describe people using adjective and simple sentence patterns. Example, she is beautiful, he is friendly, my brother is smart. The next is pedagogy. The teaching method used are discussion. The first is discussion, that students discuss family members and ancient idea. And the next is group work. Students work together in groups and help each other complete tasks. Group activities promote cooperation and communication. And the next is interactive quiz. Students answer quiz question to Kahoot. This activity makes learning more enjoyable and increase student participation. The next slide is SMR model. The lesson also follows the SMR model, which explains how technology transforms learning. SAMR stands for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition. Substitution are Google Docs. Google Docs replace traditional paper worksheet. Students perform the same tasks but in digital form, and the technology acts as a direct substitute without change the activity significantly. The next is augmentation that use Kahoot. Kahoot improves traditional quizzes by providing additional features such as instant scores, immediate feedback, interactive competition. Technology enhances the learning experience. The next is modification that use Canva. Canva changed the way students complete assessment. Instead of drawing poster manually, students create digital poster with pictures, icons, and creative design. And the next is redefinition that use Flip Video. Flip Video enables students to create and share speaking video. This type of activity will be difficult to perform without technology. And then why I use this app, because the Google Doc saves paper, accessible anywhere, easy to edit and share. And Kahoot, the benefit is make learn fun, and Canva that develop creativity, and Flip Video builds confidence. The next is LMS integration. This lesson uses Google Classroom as a learning management system, or LMS. Google Classroom help teacher to sharing learning material. Teacher can I can upload document, presentation, and video. Can post assessment, and teacher or I can assign tasks and send deadline. Give announcement. Important information can be delivered quickly to student, and provide feedback. I can comment on students' work and suggest improvements. Access student work. I can monitor and evaluate student progress eventually. Assessment tool that Google Form is used to access student understanding. And the next slide is technology categories. Different technology are grouped according to their function. Word processing, that's Google Doc. Google Doc is used for writing and editing assessment. Multimedia, that's Canva. Canva helps students create visual project and presentation. And the next, data collection, Google Form. Google Form collect response and provide data for assessment. The next is collaboration, that Google Classroom. Google Classroom facilitates communication and collaboration between teacher and student. Game-based learning, that use Kahoot, transform learning into an enjoyable game and increase student engagement. The next is reflection. This slide discuss the strengths and challenges of the student. The benefit is learning become more interesting, students become more active, technology support collaboration. And the challenges is internet connection, that pure internet access might interrupt online activity, technical problem, different digital skills, and yeah, I will use this lesson plan because encourage activity learning. Maybe enough for my presentation today. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.